guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to talk about the iOS 14.5 update and what it really means for your Facebook ads.
My name is Silvia and over the past 6 years I've empowered thousands of online stores in over 35 countries around the world with knowledge designed to quadruple return on ad spend.
Now, some of you might have observed that your ads have stopped working recently since the iOS 14.5 update. Your sales would have gone down, your ROAS would have gone down, and your costs might have gone through the roof. So what I need you guys to understand is that the iOS 14.5 Apple update has affected millions and millions of users and millions of stores, and it's to do with privacy settings, right? Previously, it's been really easy to target our ideal customers through social media such as Facebook or Instagram. And it was really easy to understand who is who and get to that ideal customer as fast as possible, which was really giving us very good return on ad spend on ROAS inside Facebook ads. Now, with the iOS 14.5 update, it's just much harder to see who is who, okay? And as a result, your targeting might have gone like a little bit off the place. So in order to change that, you've got to understand that there is an online auction happening behind all of the scenes, right? So there is Facebook, Instagram, all of the other social platforms. And essentially when you choose your targeting, you are entering an auction whether you are aware of it or not. But the way how this online auction works is that it matches all of the advertisers to the users based on all of these different parameters, right? Now, once you have won the auction, you are essentially getting really good, high quality audience for the lowest possible price. Now, however, should Facebook or Instagram or any of the other social platforms evaluate you as a marketer that you are not matching the parameters that they are looking for, you would be losing the auction. What does that mean? If you lose the auction, you're gonna essentially get a poor quality audience for the highest possible price, okay? Poor quality audience, highest possible price. So essentially it becomes like a snowball effect. It can snowball the good way or it can snowball the bad way and completely come to crush you down, all right? So no matter what, guys, since the iOS 14.5 update, it's becoming harder to win the auction, but no matter what, you've got to win the auction. That's the key to everything. Now, how do you know that you are not winning the auction? If your CPM has gone through the roof since the iOS 14.5 update, and if your CTR link click-through has been going down since the iOS 14.5 update, you know you are not winning the auction, okay? So what you need to do is watch another instruction video that I've released a couple of weeks ago that's really taking you step by step of what you need to do exactly to make sure that you win that auction and you essentially adapt to that privacy settings to that iOS 14.5 update. So guys, it's time for you to make sure you watch that instruction video, you implement all of the settings, and let's go.